Right. Today we are going to continue with the topic Al-Usra or Usrati, my family. Okay. In the last class, we have, in the last class, we have looked at these questions. For example, you want to say, okay, wait, yeah. You want to say, Maza ya'malu abuka? What does your father do? Okay, what does your father do? So we say Maza ya'mal. So ya'mal is the verb. Abuka, with your father. So if you want to change to your mother, we will say Maza ta'mal. Ta'mal. So when we learn about verbs, we have seen that for male you will say ya, ya'mal, yazhab. If it is for female, then you will change to ta'mal, tazhab. Okay, so this is for male ya'mal, and for female you say maza ta'mal. Naam. Okay, maza ya'mal, maza ta'mal. And then you change from abuka to ummuka. To change from father abuka to ummuka. Okay. And then if you want to ask a girl, then you change maza ya'mal abuki. So ki is you are addressing a woman. Maza ya'mal abuki. Okay, the same things for maza ta'mal ummuki. Maza ta'mal ummuki. Okay, that is the first question. And how do you respond to that question? Then you will say, so we have also seen this. You will say abi. Abi, of course, abuka, your father. We change to abi, my father. Abi, ya'mal. So again, we use the word ya'mal. For male. Abi ya'mal, and then you choose one of these occupation. So we have learned the word mudarris, teacher, mudarris. What else? Tabib, tabib, doctor. Tabib. Mumarrid, mumarrid, a nurse. Muhandis, muhandis, an engineer. Muwazzaf, muwazzaf, an officer. Falah, falah, a farmer. So you take one of these words and then you say, Abi ya'mal mudarris. You just put the word mudarris. But since it is in the sentence, then we just add an in the end of the word mudarris. So we say mudarrisan. Mudarrisan. So mudarrisan is the same word as mudarris. So why do you have this san? This is because of the grammar rule. Grammar ruling. So when you learn grammar, you will learn when should you say mudarris, when should you say mudarrisan, when should you say mudarrisin. So it will depend on the grammar. But for this particular sentence, you just say mudarris, mudarrisan. That's all. Okay. Abi ya'mal mudarrisan. Okay, that is one answer. Another answer. You want to say my father works as a doctor. Abi ya'mal tabib. Doctor just now is the word tabib. So in the sentence, we say Abi ya'mal tabiban. You end the word tabib with an. So we say tabiban. Instead of the word tabib, we change to tabiban. Abi ya'mal tabiban. Okay, that is a doctor. You want to say, oh, my father works as a nurse. Mumarrid. Mumarrid. So in the sentence, it becomes Abi ya'mal mumarridan. Again, you end the word mumarrid with an. So mumarrid, mumarridan. Mumarridan. All right. Another example, you want to say, my father works as an engineer. Muhandis. So we say, Abi ya'mal muhandis. Muhandisan. Muhandisan. Abi ya'mal muhandisan. If your father works in the office, or if he's an officer, for example, so you say muwazzaf. Abi ya'mal muwazzaf. So we change to muwazzafan. Abi ya'mal muwazzafan. Okay, again you add an to the end of the word muwazzaf. Muwazzafan. And finally, your father works as a farmer. The word farmer, falah. Falah. So again, we add an to the end of the word falah. So it becomes falahan. Falahan. So we say, Abi ya'mal falahan. Okay. So this is the example if you want to use it for Abi, for my father. Okay. Now, if you want to change to my mother, okay, we skip this part. Okay, we just ignore this part. You go straight to Ummi, my mother. So my mother, Ummi. So now a female. You don't say Ya'mal anymore. Okay, for a female, for a woman, we say Ta'mal. Ta'mal. So you say, I'm Ummi Ta'mal. Ummi Ta'mal. My mother works. Ummi Ta'mal as a what? Okay, then we go back to all these words. But now, since this is Ummi, Mu'annas, my mother, female, for a female, then you have to add this ta in the end of the previous word. So instead of the word mudarris, it becomes mudarrisah. You add this ta, this special ta. The sound of this ta is either the T sound, mudarrisatun, or mudarrisatan. You read with a T sound, or you can just read with the H sound, mudarrisah. So there are two ways of reading this. Again, I repeat. You say, Ummi ta'mal mudarrisatan. That is if you want to read with the T sound. Ummi ta'mal mudarrisatan. So an in the end, again, you have the an sound in the end. Just like mudarris, mudarrisan. Mudarrisa, mudarrisatan. Okay, so you can read mudarrisatan. Or you can also read it with the H sound. So if you want to read it with the H sound, we say Ummi ta'mal mudarrisah. Mudarrisah. Okay, that's so you choose. Which one do you prefer? Ummi ta'mal mudarrisah or Ummi ta'mal mudarrisatan. Okay, but for the Abi, you have to say mudarrisan, right? So this is the first example. Mudarrisan becomes mudarrisatan. The second example, tabib, doctor. Now you want to say, my mother works as a doctor, but now it's a female. So we don't say tabib anymore. We change to tabibah. Again, you add this ta. Okay, you add this special ta marbuta. So it becomes tabibatan. Tabibatan. Tabiban for male doctor. Tabibatan, female doctor. Or you can just say tabibah. Tabibah. So the sentence will be Ummi ta'mal tabibah. Ummi ta'mal tabibah. Okay, that is the second example. The third example, you want to say a nurse. My mother works as a nurse. The word nurse is mumarrid. Mumarridan. Now you add in the end. So it becomes mumarridah or mumarridatan. Mumarridatan, mumarridah. The example, Ummi ta'mal mumarridah. Ummi ta'mal mumarridatan, as a nurse. The fourth example, muhandis, engineer, muhandis. Now you want to change to a female engineer. Muhandis, you add to the end of the word. So it becomes muhandisah. You add this ta again, muhandisah. So it is for a female. Ummi ta'mal muhandisah. Ummi ta'mal muhandisah. You can also read it with this. So we say muhandisatan. Ummi ta'mal muhandisatan. The fifth example, muwazzaf, officer. Muwazzaf. Now you want to change to a female officer. So again, you add to the end of the word. Muwazzaf becomes muwazzafah. Muwazzafah. So we say Ummi ta'mal muwazzafatan. Ummi ta'mal muwazzafatan. Okay. And the last one, falah, a farmer. You want to say a female farmer. Falah, you add to the end of the word. So falaha, falaha, falaha. Or you can also read falahatan, falahatan. Okay, so the sentence is Ummi ta'mal falahatan. Ummi ta'mal falahatan. Okay, until here, up to here. Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Actually, my mom worked as a manager, so the manager is Mudira.
Good. Yes.
So
So,
for female, it's like Mudira. Or
oh,
how is the?
okay, wait, yeah. So for the word manager, so let me write the word manager. It is, okay, wait, my pen is not working. Mudira, mim, dal, ya, ra. Okay, this is the word for a manager. Mudir. Mudir, that is the basic word. Mudir. So mudir is manager, male manager, we say mudir. Okay. For a female, then you add ah. So it becomes mudirah. Mudirah.
Mudira.
Yes, mudirah. So now it becomes the manager for male. So your sentence will be Ummi ta'mal mudirah.
Mudira.
Yes, Ummi ta'mal mudirah. Yes, good. Yes.
Sir, the
Any
police is what? Police is
police. Okay, thank you. Okay, you want to say police. Police is
Shurti.
shurti. Shurti.
Shurti. So the
Yes.
female is Shurtiya.
Good. Shurtiya. But it is not shurtiya. Okay, listen to my reading. The word is not just shurti. 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 The last letter you have the Y, the double Y sound, the E.
Oh, Shurti.
Yes. So when it becomes a female police, then shurtiya.
Shurtiya.
Yes, you have the iya. This the double Y sound. Iya. Iya. So we don't say shurtiya. Yeah, that is correct pronunciation of it. So we say
Shurtiya.
shurtiya. Yes. So you say
Lawyer is Muhami.
Okay, yes. Lawyer is muhami. Muhami, yes, sahih. Muhami. So this is the word.
So if female lawyer is Muhammiya.
Muhammiya, good. Yes, a female lawyer, you say muhammiya. Yes. So now you get it. How do you change from a male to a female, right? You just add okay. Good.
So what is housewife in
okay. What is housewife? Okay, good. Good question. What is housewife? My mother is not working. So after this, we are going to learn how to say not working. Just now we say she works as so and so. But now we want to say she is not working. How do you do that? Okay, we will learn this in a while. For mother, for housewives. Housewife is Rabbatul Bait. Rabbatul Bait. This is how you write the word. Rabbatul Bait.
But quite long, sir, the word.
Two words.
Batul
Bait.
Batul Bait.
Yes, because it is two words actually. And that is why it looks like a long word, but it is actually two words. Two short words. Rabbatul Bait. Okay, let me show you the two words. Rabbatu al-Bait. Okay, so this is the first word. Rabbah. 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 The second word, al-Bait. 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 Rabbah, al-Bait. So we combine Rabbatul Bait. Rabbatul Bait. So Rabbatul Bait, Rabbah literally the Lord. That is the meaning of Rabbah. This is like the word Rabb, God. Lord or God is Rabb. We say Rabb. Ya Rabb, you call your Lord. You say, oh Ya Rabb, oh my God. Ya Rabb, Rabb. So this is the female version of the word Rabb. And of course, when it changed to the female version, we are not referring to the God. There is no male God. But now the meaning is changed. It is like the Lord of the house. Al-Bait is the house. So it is like the one who is in charge for the house. We say Rabbatul Bait. Okay, so the meaning is, of course, the housewife. Rabbatul Bait. So you want to say my mother is Rabbatul Bait. Of course, it is. You don't say Hummi Tamal because that is not considered as a salaried work. Even though the husband can pay for her, but you just say Ummi. You don't need to say Tamal anymore. You just say Ummi Rabbatul Bait. Okay. Yes. Okay. Any other question? Any other words that you want to ask, or the word that you have checked in the dictionary and you want to confirm?
Businessman.
Businessman. Okay, thank you. For businessman, we say Rajul A'mal. Rajul A'mal. Rajul A'mal. Two words. The first is Rajul. We say Rajul. And then we say A'mal. A'mal. Rajul A'mal. Rajul is man. Man is Rajul. Ana Rajul. I am a man. Anta Rajul. I am a woman. You are a man. A'mal. A'mal is works, basically. A'mal means works. it can also be translated as business. So rajul a'mal, man of business, businessman. That is if you want to use rajul a'mal. But the another word that you mentioned just now, tajir, yes, you can also use that. Tajir. So you can say tajir. Tajir. So tajir is actually the seller, the merchant. Merchant is called tajir. So you can use both words, business, rajul a'mal or tajir. Abi ya'mal tajir, tajiran. Abi ya'mal rajul a'mal, businessman. Yes.
Rajul Amal means work as a businessman.
Businessman.
Rajul is businessman.
Rajul is man.
Or man. Okay, business is what?
Business is a'mal. The
Amal.
second word. A'mal.
Okay.
So man of business.
Okay.
Businessman. Yes. Yes. Okay, any other question before we go to the second one?
Sir,
Yes.
Ashif.
Again?
Ashif.
Again, I didn't get that. I have
Ashif.
a chef, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, a chef. A cook.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, a cook. Okay. A cook. Male or female? Okay.
Male.
Okay. A cook or a chef is tabbah. Tabbah. Again, and listen again. Tabbah.
Tabah.
Yes, good. So this is how you write the word tabbah. Ta, ba, alif, ha. Tabbah. Tabbah. Okay, so this word that I give you, this is okay. You choose the one that suits you. Okay, it is not necessary for you to memorize all of this word. Okay, so if you are interested in the word tabbah, you want to use it, then you memorize the word tabbah. If your focus is on the word muhami, you memorize the word muhami. Right? So tabbah, yes, tabbah is a chef. So you can say abi ya'mal tabbah. You add an to the end of the word. Abi ya'mal tabahan. Tabahan. But if you just say tabah, it's okay. We understand. Yes. Okay. Any other question? All right. So, okay, you can go for look for other words in the dictionary. Yeah. All right. So now that is the first part. Okay. Now we look at the second questions. Okay. Just now, maza ya'mal. What does he do? So you remember this word, maza, what? Maza is what? Okay. All right. Next word is another question. You want to say where? Where does he work? Where does he work? Now, or where does she work? So the word where is this? Aina. Aina. Aina is where. You say aina. Aina. And then you repeat the word work. Just now, ya'mal. Aina ya'mal. Aina ya'mal. Or for a mother, then you say aina ta'mal. Aina ta'mal. Okay, and then you put the word your father in the end. Aina ya'mal abuka. Aina ya'mal abuka. For mother, aina ta'mal ummuka. Aina ta'mal ummuka. All right. So the sentence is quite similar. You just replace the word maza with aina to say where. Aina ya'mal. Where does he work? Okay. Now we want to answer that question. You want to say, oh, he works in or at. So what is the word that you should say? To say in or at. Okay. This is the word. To say in or to say at. Okay. This is the word. Okay. Read after me. Fi. 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 Okay. So fi is in or at. So the sentence. Okay. So this time we ignore this part. Yeah, you ignore this part. Okay. This is to answer the first question. Now we want to answer the second question. We say Abi. Oh, sorry. Abi ya'mal. Okay, you jump straight to this one. Fi. Abi ya'mal fi. And then you mention the place. Okay, the place of where your father works. Abi ya'mal fi. Abi ya'mal fi. For mother, ummi ta'mal fi. Ummi ta'mal fi. So every time you say fi, you know that you are going to mention a place. Fi. Okay. Next, okay, let us look at some of the places that you can use. All right. So let us look at the first one. School. School. This is the word school. Okay, can somebody read this for me? The first word for school.
Mudarrisa.
Mudarrisa. Okay, let us look at the vowels again.
Al-madrasah.
Madrasa. Yes, Abdullah. The one that you read earlier, mudarrisa is the work, the person, the teacher. Then you say mudarrisa. Yes, the spelling is similar, but it differs in the vowels. This is not mudarrisa. This is madrasa. Yes, good. Thank you. Madrasa. We say madrasa. So if you look at this word, we have this in front of the word. Do you remember what is this? This is al. Do you remember what is al?
The.
The. Yes, you want to say the teacher, the person, the man, the woman. So in Arabic, you want to say the, you say al. You say al. So the word itself starts after the word al. So the word itself starts from here. If you want to find this word in the dictionary, you don't need to type this alif lam. Okay, you just go straight to the word itself, which is madrasa. Start with the letter mim. Madrasa. So madrasa is the school. Madrasa is school. Al madrasa, the school. So it is up to you. You can use it with al, or you can use it without al. So in the answer, for example, you can say Abi ya'mal fi madrasa without the al. You say fi madrasa. Fi madrasa without the al. If you want to read with the al, you say fi al madrasa. But the best way is to join the two words. So how do you join the two words? So this is the word al madrasa. Al madrasa. Now you want to add fi. You want to say in the school. So what do? You join the two words. So instead of reading fi al madrasa, you join the two words. So it becomes fil madrasa. Fil madrasa. Again, I repeat. The word is fi. Fi. The word is fi. And then here you have madrasa. Al madrasa. Okay, of course, as we have learned, this al is to say the. Okay, so now we want to say in the school. Okay, of course, you can just say fi al madrasa. Fi al madrasa. But normally for and the Arab, they don't read these two words individually. They don't say fi al madrasa. They will combine, and you will listen to the combination of the two words. So how do they combine? Instead of fi al madrasa, they combine fil. They don't say fi al anymore. Fil. So as if this alif, as if it is removed. So they say fil. They ignore this alif. This is how we join a word to another word with alif lam. Okay. So we say fil madrasa. Fil madrasa. So it is up to you. You can say fil madrasa with the alif lam, or you can say fi madrasa without the alif lam. What is the difference? The difference is that if you say fil madrasa with the al, it means in the school. But if you say fi madrasa without the al, it means in a school. So that is the difference. Madrasa, a school. Al madrasa, the school. So it is up to you. You can use either one. Yes, any question for this one? Okay, so the first word is madrasa. So the answer, Abi ya'mal fil madrasa. Now we look at the second word. This is the second word, hospital. Hospital. Okay, can anyone read this for me? How do you say hospital? Oh, sorry. You can ignore the al, the first part of the word. You can ignore this one. Start from here.
Al-mustashfa.
Al-mustashfa. Yes, thank you, Abdullah. Okay, let us look at the word. This is, of course, this is al. This is al. Al, Mrs. Mim. Mus, this is sin. Mus, ta, and then this is shin. Tash, mustash. Mustash. And this is fa. Mustashfa, and this is the long vowel. This is the special letter, similar the special letter that looks like a ya, but without the 2 dots, no dots. So since there is no dot, this is similar to an alif. So what do you have here? You have fa with the alif, so it becomes a long sound, long vowel. We say mustashfa. Okay, you can repeat after me. Mustashfa. Mustashfa. Okay, or you can add alif lam, al. You say al mustashfa. Al mustashfa. Combine with fi. Fi mustashfa. So you use that word. Abi ya'mal fi mustashfa. So my father works in the mustashfa, in the hospital. Okay, that is the second word, mustashfa. The third word, this word, office.
Makra.
Again,
Makra.
mark. Okay, you got it. The first part is yes, mark, good. But what
Ra.
about, this is not raw. This is ta. Maktab, maktab. This is the T, the ta. Maktab, yes. Maktab. The first part is correct. Maktab. So maktab. Maktab. Maktab means office. Okay, there are two meanings actually, the word maktab. If you look in the dictionary, maktab can be your desk. Okay, your desk is your maktab. Your office is also maktab. So here we take the second meaning, office, maktab. Add fi, so we say fi maktab. Fi maktab. Or you can join with the alif lam. We say fil maktab. Fil maktab. So your sentence will be Abi ya'mal fil maktab. My father works in the office. Okay, that is the third word, maktab. The fourth word, you want to say company. Abi ya'mal fi company. So what is the word company? Okay, this one. Okay, can we read this? Again, ignore this part. Ignore this part. We just read this part. And since we have already ignored this one, you ignore this one as well.
Sharika.
Sharika. Yes, thank you. Sharika. Okay, so you can repeat after me. Sharika. 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 Okay, so Sharika is company. Sharika. So now you want to say the company, you add this al. You add this al. So how do you read this al with Sharika? Remember, in one of the lesson, I did talk about this al. So I did mention about the moon letters and the sun letters. I don't know whether you have searched this in the internet. What are the moon letters and what are the sun letters? Basically, the moon letters are the letters when you combine it to al. So after that is the moon letters. So it means that the al you have to read the lam. So it will be al. Al. The example is like the word al-maktab just now. You see this? So mim, if you look in the internet, you will see that moon is one of the moon letter. Moon is one of the letter. So since this is moon letter, so they will put this. So it becomes al. So you will read al. Okay? So this is what it means. By adding al to moon letter, you will read the lam al. The opposite of moon letter is the sun letter. Is the sun letter. So for the sun letter, when you add al, for the sun letter, when you add al, you don't read al. No, this is wrong. Okay, for sun letter, you don't have to read the lam. So what do? You jump, you skip the lam, you join to the next letter, to the sun letter itself. For example, this word, Asharika. So this letter shin is one of these sun letters. Okay, so again to the rules. The rule says that if you have al together with this sun letter, you don't read the lam. Okay, that is why you don't see this anymore. Okay, where in the previous example you see the sukun, because that is the moon letter. For sun letter, we don't read this. So how do you read this word? You jump, you skip that lam, you go straight to the sun letter, the letter itself, which is shin. So now, since this shin already has its own vowel, and now you want to join the previous word to it. That is why they have this shadda. That is the reason why do you have shadda for this word. And how do you read that? We say ash, instead of al-sharika, you say ash-sharika. Ash-sharika. This is how you read the word with a sun letter. Okay, so again, go to the internet and look for the sun letters. Okay, and also moon letters. You will find plenty of explanation and even some YouTube videos as well. Okay, all right. So ash-sharika company, you can join with fi, it becomes fish sharika. Fish sharika. Abi ya'mal fi sharika. Abi works in the company sharika. You can put the name of the company name as well. So Abi ya'mal fi sharika so and so. You can add the word the name of the company after the word sharika. Okay, next word, bank. Bank. So the Arabic word for bank is they take the English word, so it becomes al-bank. So you just add al to the front of the word bank. Al-bank, al-bank, al-bank. Combined with fi, we say fil bank, fil bank, fil bank, because this is English word, so you don't have to read fil bank. No need, right? So you just say fil bank. Fil bank. Okay. Abi ya'mal fil bank. What kind of bank? You can give the name of the bank. And the last one, the last word. Okay, what is this word? A farm. So again, you can ignore this al. Okay, what is the word? This is the meme. Yes,
Mazra'ah.
Alhamdulillah. Mazra'ah. Okay, good. This is the meme. Ma. This is the zai. Z. Maz. This is the ra. Mazra. Mazra. This is the ain. You see the head, the first part of the ain. So the ain. That is ain. So when you join, it becomes this ain. So ain, a, madrasa, mazra'a, and this ta, the ha sound. Mazra'a. Okay, so mazra'a is the farm. Mazra'a. You add alif lam, you want to say the farm. Al-mazra'a. 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 Combine with fi, fil mazra'a. Fil mazra'a. So your sentence, Abi ya'mal fil mazra'a. Okay, so that is how you respond to the question, Aina ya'mal? Where does he work? The same goes for mother. Ummi ta'mal. So you say fil madrasa. Well, this time we don't have to change. You don't have to do like what we did in the occupation. Just now we say mudarris, mudarrisa, male mudarris, female mudarrisa. Here you have to change. Why? Because it refers to that person. So if that person is muzakkar, you say mudarris. If that person is mudarrisa. So since this is referring to that person, that is why we need to change. Mudarris, mudarrisa, tabib, tabiba. But now this is the place. The place is not related to that person. So the person can be a male, the person can be a female, and the place will remain as it is. That is why here you don't have to change. Okay, you just use whatever word that you find in the dictionary, just use it. All right. So these are the two sentences that you can ask your friend and the two answers. Okay, if you ask you this question, hopefully you can answer this. All right. So now before we go to the next one, I don't think we have the time to have question and answer. So I want everybody just to say your own sentences. 2 sentences. Oh, sorry. 4 sentences each. 4 sentences. The first sentence, you said, my father works as what? Abi ya'mal, and then you mention his occupation. Even though your father does not work, even though your father has retired, even though maybe some of you, your father has already has passed away. So just pretend that he is still alive, and you just say, because for the sake of practicing this sentence. But later you can ask me, how do I say, oh, my father has passed away? So I will give you a specific answer to that question. Or what if my father is retired? Okay, I can give you. But at the moment, we just want to practice this first. All right. So please, everybody, you just mention Abi ya'mal, give me an occupation. Abi ya'mal syurtiyan, Abi ya'mal mudarrisan, Abi ya'mal tabiban. And then you mention the place. Where does he work? Abi ya'mal fi. Don't forget this one. Abi ya'mal fi madrasah. So you have two separate sentences. Abi ya'mal tabiban, Abi ya'mal fi. And of course, since it is tabib, doctor, then the place must be mustashfa. So they must match. Okay, Abi ya'mal tabiban, Abi ya'mal fi mustashfa. So these are the two separate sentences. But if you think you want to combine the two sentences, yes, you can do that. So instead of two sentences, you can just say to me one sentence. So you combine the two. You say Abi ya'mal mudarrisan where? Fi al-madrasah. So you just give me one sentence. So it is up to you. Okay, you can say two sentences or you can just say one sentence. And then we go to our mother, my mother. So Ummi. So Ummi, now you remember. Ummi, you say ta'mal. Ummi ta'mal. Ummi ta'mal tabib? No. Tabib is for male. Then make sure you know how to change. Change to tabiba. Ummi ta'mal tabiba. That is one sentence. Where does she work? Ummi ta'mal fi. You mentioned the place. Fi maktab. Fi mustashfa. Fi mahkamah. Whatever word. Okay, you can use from what we have learned here, or you can use your own words. You can look in the dictionary, find your own word, and then say it to us. Okay. Ummi ta'mal fi mustashfa. Or you can combine the two words, combine the two sentences. You just say, Ummi ta'mal mudarrisa fi, you mentioned the place. Ummi ta'mal mudarrisa fi madrasah. All right? So it is up to you. You can give me 4 sentences. You can give me 2 long sentences. All right. So please prepare. I give you about 1 minute.
So how do I say my mother is working as a housewife in house?
Okay. So how do you say my mother is a housewife? Just now somebody asked me about
Ummi, yeah, it was me. Ummi
okay.
mal rabbatul bait.
Okay. Ummi ta'mal rabbatul bait. Yes, you are correct. But as I said, rabbatul bait is not considered as an occupation. So we don't say ta'mal. You just say ummi, ummi rabbatul bait. Yes. You skip for this particular answer. You skip the word ta'mal because she does not work, right? So you just say ummi rabbatul bait. Yes.
Okay. How can I home?
What is home? What is house?
I forgot.
What is the word house? Okay, the word house is, this is the word house. Al-bait. Al-bait. So combine it to the word fi, just like what we did just now. Madrasa, fil madrasa. Al-bait. Fil bait. Yes, fil bait. So you combine, you say Ummi Rabbatul bait.
Rabbatul bait, fil bait.
Of course, Rabbatul bait is always fil bait, right? So you can say that. Ummi Rabbatul bait. Ummi, yes.
So ya amal or ya
Ya,
kamal?
ain, ya. Ya amal.
Ya aman.
Ya amal.
Amal. Okay.
Not ya amal, no. Ya amal.
Ya amal.
Yes, that is correct. Ya'mal. Because the word is this. This is ya. This is ya. This is the ya. This is the ain, the sound. So ya. And then this is ma. Le. Ya'mal. Ya'mal. Okay. So every time you write this using the Romanized Roman word, you have to refer to this again. Ya'mal. Okay. All right. So I give you 1 or 2 minutes. So everybody please come up with 4 individual sentences or 2 combined sentences. Abi, Ummi. His occupation, the place. If you already have the sentence, you can just read it to me.
Sir,
Yes.
I can start.
Yes.
Abi Yamal Mudarrisan fil madrasa.
Good.
Ummi Rabbatul Bait fil bait.
Yes, correct. Okay. So your reading, I can understand. When I hear that, I can understand. So it means you don't have any problem with the pronunciation.
Thank you.
Yes, good. Okay, next. Yes, just like what Amin do. Just like what Amin did. Only 2 sentences because he combined everything. You can do that. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
Abi Ya'mal Shruti.
Syurtiyan. Abi Ya'mal Syurti. Okay. That is the first one.
Umi Ya'mal Muhami.
For Ummi, you don't say Ya'mal. Because Ummi is now a female. Then you change to Ummi Ta'mal.
Ta'amal.
Yes. Ya'mal, ya is for male. Ta'amal, ta is for female. Ummi Ta'mal.
Umi Ta'amal Muhami.
Okay, that is number 1. Number 1 is Ta'mal. Number 2, Muhami is for male.
Oh, Muhamiyah.
Yes. Again, so repeat the sentence
okay.
again.
Abi
Ummi.
Ya'amal Shruti.
Syurti, Ummi,
Umi Ta'amal Muhamiyah.
Muhamiyah. Good. Okay, now the place. Aina Ya'mal. So maybe I ask you a question. Aina Ya'mal. Just now the question is Maza Ya'mal. What does he do? So now Aina, where? Aina Ya'mal. You might want. Okay, practice that. Okay, fine. Yes, in the office, in the school, in the you find that word. Fi. Use the word fi. Abi Ya'mal fi. All right. Okay, who else?
Sir,
Yes.
can I? Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Abi Ya'mal Muhami.
Muhami, Abi Ya'mal Muhami. Okay.
Okay. For mother, Umi Ta'amal Mudira.
Mudira, good. Ummi Ta'mal Mudira. Yes, so
the place like where like Aina something. So Aina Ya'amal.
Not Aina. Aina Ya'mal is the question.
Okay. So the question if sir ask means the answer will be Ummi no. It's
Yes, you can say Ummi or you want to say Abi.
Okay, Ummi Ta'amal fil maktab.
Good. Yes. Ummi ta'mal fil maktab. Yes, correct. Fil maktab, in the maktab, in the office. Yes, that is Ummi. What about Abi?
Abi Ya'amal fil maktab also because
Yes.
both of them is so
They work together.
Yeah.
Okay. In the office. Yes. Abi Ya'mal. So now you can differentiate. Abi Ya'mal. Ummi ta'mal. Right? Okay, good. Okay. Yes. Who else? Who have not tried?
Can I try?
Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah Hassan.
أبي يعمل رجل الأعمال وأمي تعمل ربة البيت.
Okay, good. So first, if you hear Abdullah says, he says, Abi Ya'mal Rajul al-A'mal. Rajul A'mal. Businessman. And then he said, Wa. Do you hear that? He said, Wa. Wa, yes. Wa is the word to say and. Wa. So wa, this word is very interesting word. You can use this word as many as you want to join the sentences. So just now he said, Abi Ya'mal Rajul A'mal. And then he want to say, my mother. So he joined the sentences. He say, Wa Ummi Ta'mal. What was the word again? Ummi Ta'mal?
Rabbatul Bayt.
Rabbatul Bayt. Ummi Rabbatul Bayt. Wa Ummi Rabbatul Bayt. Yes. Good. You can join the sentences using wa. If you want to join to the next sentence, again, you say wa. Wa. It is not a problem. Okay, what about the place? Aina. Ummi.
Ummi Rajulul Bayt.
Rajulul Bayt. Ummi Rabbatul Bayt.
Rabbatul Bayt.
Okay, Rabbatul Bayt.
Fil Bayti.
Fil Bayti. Good. Abi
يعمل في المكتبة.
Fil maktaba. Okay, I like when you say fil. That is one way when you want to say fil, and then you are thinking about a word fil, but you know that you have to have this fil, and then you think, what is the word? Fil maktab, fil madrasa, fil mustashfa, fil sharika. So that is a good practice actually. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, who else? Nuna, Abdullah Wang, and Salima. So try. Abi Ya'mal. Okay, Nuna.
Abi Ya'man muwassafa fil maktab.
Fil maktab. Okay, again. Abi
Abi Ya'mal.
Ya'mal. Okay, good. Abi Ya'mal.
Abi Ya'mal muwassafa fil maktab.
Don't say muwazzafa, muwazzafan. Muwazzafan. Okay, muwazzafan.
Muwazzafan.
Yes, you need fil maktab.
Muwassafal fil maktab.
Not muwazzafal. I hear the lam. The muwazzafan, the end sound.
Muwazzafan.
Yes, muwazzafan. So every time you have this tanwin, so you will have to read the end sound. Abi ya'mal muwazzafan, and muwazzafan fil maktab. Okay, good. Another one. Ummi.
Ummi ta'man muwassafa fil maktab.
Yes, ummi ta'mal muwazzafa fil maktab. Okay, use. Thank you. Shukran, Nuna. Okay. Who else? Salima wa Abdullah. Abdullah Wang. No? Okay, yes, Salima.
Sorry?
Yes, Iwan.
I just
Salima.
continue. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Abi Yaman muwazzafa fil maktabi.
Yes, good. Abi ya'mal muwazzafan fil maktabi. Good.
Umi tamal muhassan.
Again. Ta'mal.
Umi tamal muwazzafan fil maktabi.
Fa ummi ta'mal muwazzafah.
Muwazzafah.
Fil maktabi. Yes. Ummi ta'mal muwazzafah. Yes. Yes, who else? Ayub. Yes, Ayub. So I didn't see you. Sorry, Ayub.
It's okay. Umi ta'mal tabaha.
Ummi ta'mal tabaha. Tabaha.
Tabaha.
Not tabaha. Kha. Tabaha.
Kha.
Because the last letter is the kha. Tabah.
Tabaha.
So the kha sounds kha. Tabaha.
Tabaha.
If you say tabaha, I might have difficulty understanding what is that word tabaha. Because it should be tabaha. Kha. Okay. Okay. Good. Umi ta'mal tabaha. Aina. Where does he work? Where does she work?
And Abi Yaman tabaha.
Okay. Abi ya'mal tabah. Umi ta'mal tabaha. Okay. Good. Aina. Where do they work? Aina ya'mal abuka.
Umi wa abi yamalan.
Okay, good.
Yamalan
Matam. Good. Okay. Let us look at this answer. This is a bit different from what we heard from everybody else. Ummi wa abi. So now he combines. Remember the word wa that we learned just now? Abdullah mentioned about the word wa. Abdullah Hassan, he combined the two sentences. One sentence and then you say wa and then use another sentence. But this time Ayub combined mother and father. So you can, yes, you can do that. Ummi wa abi. So say ummi wa abi. But the problem is that when you combine these two, then your verb will change as well. So you cannot say ya'mal anymore. That is the thing. You don't say ya'mal because ya'mal from our lesson, ya'mal is for huwa, for he. Correct? From one of the lesson that when we learn the verb ya'mal, we learn anta ta'mal. If you still remember, anta tazhab, huwa yazhab, hiya tazhab. Right? So ya'mal is for one. For two, we did not learn. We have not learned. But fortunately, Ayub, our brother Ayub, he has done his work. He's done his extra work. So he know that for abi wa ummi, you said, you have to say ya'malani. Yes, that is correct. Ya'malani. Ya'malani. All right. So because this is not part of our syllabus, so that is why I didn't teach you this. Okay, but you can explore. Right? So you say abi wa ummi ya'malani fi. Where is the place, Ayub?
Matam.
Don't say mat'am, mat'am.
Matam.
Yes, the last syllable is very short. Mat'am. Mat'am. Not mat'am, mat'am. Because the word is this, mat'am. The last one is the short vowel. Mat'am. Fil mat'am. You can add alif lam. Fil mat'am. Yes, correct.
Shukran.
Yes. So everybody has tried? Okay, good. All right. So let us finish this. We have about 10 more minutes. Let us finish this. Okay, next one. Okay, just now we say, oh, he works as so and so. Now you want to say, no, he does not work. He does not work. He does something else. Okay, how do you see that? Okay, let us look at the next sentence, the next question. So just now we asked about your father, your mother, abuka wa ummuka. Next time you want to ask about your brother and your sister. Anybody remember what is the word brother and sister from our lesson? Brother.
أخي وأختي.
You don't have to say akhi, just the word akh. When you say akhi wa ukhti, yes, correct, but that is my brother, my sister. I just want the word brother and the word sister. Akh. Only the word akh without the akhi. Yeah? Okay. And what about sister?
Ukht.
Ukht. Good. Ukht. Okay. So this is the word akh, brother. Ukht, sister. But of course, you have learned, if you want to say my brother, then you join with akhi. Yes, just like Abdullah said. Akhi. So we say akhi. This is the word akhi. Akhi. And ukhti. This is the word ukhti, my sister. All right. But what I want is just the two words akh and ukht. Okay. Now, we want to ask question. What about your brother? What does your brother do? The question is similar to Maza ya'mal abuka just now. So this time we say Maza ya'mal akhuka. Okay, look at this word. This is from the word brother. You look at the first part of the word. This is brother. But now you want to add ka or ki, your. So we don't say ka. We don't say akhuka. You have to add this wow. This is a special word. This is a special word. You don't say akhuka. Just like the word father just now. We don't say, the word is ab, and then you join with ka, but we don't say abuka. We say abuka, where you have to add this long sound, abuka. So for these two words, only for these two words, abuka, instead of abuka, and instead of akhuka, it becomes akhuka. All right? So that is your brother. So the question, maza ya'mal akhuka? Maza ya'mal akhuka? If you're asking a woman or a girl, maza ya'mal akhuki? You change the ka to ki. Okay, that is the first question. Maza ya'mal? Okay, if he works, then you can answer just like what we did. Oh, akhi ya'mal fi sharika. Akhi ya'mal mudarris. You can do that, the same thing. But now we do not want, we want to say, no, he does not work. He does not work. So what do you do? So this is the answer. So now we want to learn how to say he do not work or he does not work. The word is this. The word is this. La. La. I believe we have learned this word, right? We say no. La. So la, it can mean no. It can mean to say not. That is also la. So now we say akhi, my brother. Akhi la ya'mal. La ya'mal. Ya'mal, work. La ya'mal, you just add la to before the word. Akhi la ya'mal. Done. So again, maza ya'mal akhuka. What does your brother do? Akhi la ya'mal. Okay? So you can repeat after me. Akhi la ya'mal. Akhi la ya'mal. Okay? That is the first one. Okay, that is akhi la ya'mal. What about my sister? The same thing. You don't have to add, you don't have to change anything. Maza ta'mal, you just need to change, of course, from ya'mal to ta'mal. Maza ta'mal. Now the word sister is ukht. Ukht. So we say ukhtuka. Ukhtuka. Or ukhtuki. If you're asking a girl, then you say ukhtuki. Maza ta'mal ukhtuki. Maza ta'mal ukhtuka. So again, you want to say she does not work. How do we say? The same thing. But this time it is ukhti. Ukht, sister. Ukhti, my sister. Ukhti la ta'mal. Of course, you have to say ta'mal because this is a woman, a female. Maza ta'mal ukhtuka? Ukhti la ta'mal. This is if they do not work, then you say la ta'mal, la ya'mal. Okay. The same thing for your father. If your father doesn't work anymore, abi la ya'mal. Abi la ya'mal. Ummi, your mother is a housewife. Ummi la ta'mal. Hiya rabbatul bait. You can see that. Okay, you can combine the sentences. Okay, any questions for this part? La ya'mal and la ta'mal. Okay, good. Okay, now the last part. So since they are not working, what are they doing? What do they do? You want to say something else. Now you want to say, oh, they are not working. Instead, they are studying. They are still studying. So how do you say study? So from the word, from the verbs that we have learned, this is the word to say study. Okay, you can go back to the verbs that we have learned in the one of the lessons, last class or last two classes. This is how to say study. Yadrus. Okay, you can read after me. Yadrus. Yadrusu. Or you just say yadrus. Akhi yadrus. Akhi yadrus.
Yeah, ahi yadrus.
Yadrus, yes. Akhi yadrus. So akhi, my brother, yadrus, study. What about my sister? Ukhti.
Ukhti tadrus.
Good. Just like ya'mal, ta'mal, you change ya to ta, the same thing. Yadrus, tadrus. Yadrus, tadrus. So you say ukhti tadrus. Ukhti tadrus. Akhi yadrus. Okay, so this is just a matter of changing the verb or practicing the verbs that you have learned. So you can use other verbs. Okay, what are the other verbs that we have learned in our verb lesson? Yanam, ya'kul, for example. Akhi ya'kul. What about ukhti, my sister? Or ukhti ta'kul. You can refer to that lesson again. Okay, so that is the first one. Akhi yadrus, ukhti, ukhti tadrus. And then where do they study? Again, you use the word fi again, in or at. So he studies in the university or at the school or at or in. So we use the word fi. Okay, now these are some additional words that you can use. Okay, so for example, here I have the word for, I have kindergarten. Kindergarten. So kindergarten is this word. Okay, ignore this part. Al, we only take this one. Rawdah. 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 So Rawdah. Rawdah, basically Rawdah is like garden. In heaven, Jannah, there is an area, it is called Rawdah. But this is the garden of the kids, kindergarten. So the short for kindergarten is Rawdah. The long word is actually Rawdatul Atfal. You have the word, another word, but just to make it simple, we say rawda enough. So rawda, ar-rawda, fi rawda. Combine this. Just like what we did earlier, fil madrasa. Here we do the same thing. Fi rawda. So the sentence will be akhi yadrus fi rawda. Okay, that is the first word. Rawda, kindergarten. Next word, school. We have learned this word. Madrasa. Madrasa. Combine with fi. Fil madrasa. Fil madrasa. Akhi yadrus fil madrasa. Akhi yadrus fil madrasa. Okay, 2 words now. The next word. So this one, everybody should know this. This one is, yes, Jami'ah. Jami'ah, university. You have al.
So it will be Ahi Yadrusu Jamia, right?
No, you have to say fi.
Or Fil Jamia.
Good, yes. Akhi yadrusu fil jami'ah. Yes, correct. Fil jami'ah, yes. Okay, so every time you want to mention in or at a place, then you say fi. Don't forget that word, fi. Fil jami'ah, fil madrasa, fil. Okay, good. And the last word is to say an institute. Institute is this word. Ma'had. 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 You add al-ma'had. Al-ma'had. You add fi, fil ma'had. Fil ma'had. So we say akhi yadrus fil ma'had. Okay, this is for akhi. If you want to use it for sister, just the same thing. You just say ukhti tadrus fi. Ukhti tadrus fil ma'had. Ukhti tadrus fil rawda. Ukhti tadrus so and so. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. So if there's no question, let us conclude today's session with Surah Al-Asri and Tasbih Kafarah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal asri innal insana lafi khusr illa allazina amanu wa amilus salihat wa tawassaw bil haqq wa tawassaw bis sabr. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Okay, ila liqa.
Ila liqa.
Ila liqa. Ma'asalama. Okay. Utla Sa'ida. Utla means holiday. Sa'ida, happy. Happy holiday. Utla Sa'ida. Okay. Keep safe. Okay. Stay safe. Yes. Afwan. Afwan. Ila liqa. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Yes. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Afwan. Yes. Thank you.